So these are the Broadway lash clusters that I will be applying to my eye, and the INB by Kiss lash strip glue. I'm also going to be using my tweezers, my brush for my eyelashes. So I usually start by taking the lashes row off the package and then just put it in the clear container. So then you want to slowly dip the eyelash and also just wipe the back part of it before you apply, so you won't get the residue on the opposite end, as you can see how it got to the bottom of my eye. But yeah, you just want to slowly apply the eyelash under your eye, slowly, but be careful. I'm trying my best to have my angles right on showing you how to apply the lashes. Usually I lift my eyelid up and apply my lashes that way. So I've been doing my own lashes for years now. I think I went to go get them professionally done like once, which I like them too, but hey, I can save a lot more money doing them myself, so this is the best way for me. But anyways, yeah, you just want to apply them at the bottom of your eye and just continue that way slowly. You want to make sure you don't want to put them too close to your lash line, because again, it's glue. And I would say if you're a beginner, this is the best glue to use, because it, if it did get in your eye, it really don't burn, versus another type of glue you can use that's more thicker than this. But again, like I said, I'm just going to be showing you how to apply them. So I know I only showed one time as far as how I wipe the excess glue off the back of the lash before I apply it, but that's what I did for all the lashes, like I said, so I wouldn't get residue on the opposite end, even when I close my eye. But I'm just going to keep applying the lashes on, of course, this eyelash slowly, and if I need to go back and fill them, I'm going to go back and fill them, but I want them, to look natural. I don't like them too long. I like them natural as possible. Oh, and also towards the end, you will see that I put them all the way all across my lid, but not too close to my inner corner, because my eyes get watery a lot, and I sleep with a fan in my face, so that doesn't help me, as far as my eyes not being watery. But yeah, so I'm just going to keep applying them from here. Stay tuned. Oh yeah, if you've been wondering what I've been looking at or which way I've been looking, I do have a mirror in front of me, so that's what I've been looking at to help me apply my lashes, because it is hard trying to stand in front of the camera and not block the camera while I'm applying the lashes, so you guys will be able to see. So I am now done applying the lashes clusters to my left eyelash. So now I'm going to go ahead and proceed to do my other eyelash on my right side. So now I'm just, like I said, showing you the one that's done on the left side and the one that's not done on the right side. So you can see they look a bit more natural. Of course, if you put them at the bottom versus the top, I've tried both, but yeah. So now this is the perfect time to use the eyelash brush. So that's what I'm doing, to just brush them out and make sure the lashes are, all flared out and look all nice and pretty and neat. So yeah, so it's always a good idea to have one of these. Okay, so now I'm finished with my lashes. Now all you have to do to wipe the glue off your hand is just rub it. Simple as that, and you see that it's off. I am now done with my lashes. I truly hope you guys enjoyed it and hope it was helpful. I will see you guys in my next video.